Hello everyone, welcome back to GoHighLevel Mastery course. In this lesson, we will be focusing on the contacts section of GoHighLevel. Contacts are the foundation of everything you do in GHL, so it's important to understand how contact data is structured and managed before moving forward. When you navigate to the contacts page on GoHighLevel, you will get to see this layout. This is a list of the contacts in GoHighLevel. This number is indicating the total number of contacts in your sub account. This number is indicating the total number of contacts that are being shown on this page. You can change it whatever suits you. And these columns are not fixed. You can change them according to your ease. You can select any of the column that you want to see, and you can unselect any of the column that you don't want to see. Whatever I am unselecting, it is being disappeared from the scene. And now let me tell you quite interesting thing regarding contacts that I found. If we click on more filters, we can actually have unlimited filters. Whatever custom field you have, you can apply filter on that. Depending upon the answer the contact gave you, you can segregate them. For example, right now I am keeping it simple because you are just starting the course, so I don't want to overwhelm you. So just click on the email. If you click on email is empty, apply this, we will get a list which will not include the contacts that are having the email. These are the only those contacts that does not have emails. We can actually save this as a separate list emails, and if we save it, we will get to see this right next to all. If we click on all, we will get to see all the contacts that we have in the sub account, and if we click on this, we will only see those 82 records. And you know what's more interesting? We don't need to save it or update this list on regular intervals. It will be auto updated. Whenever a new client opts in that does not have an email, will land in this list automatically. And now let's move towards bulk actions. This action is to just add a new contact. This is not a bulk action. This is the first bulk action we are dealing with. So we can select as many contacts as we want. As like we have 4 contacts. If we select this, now we have the option to select all 82 contacts, because in this list we have only 82 contacts. So if we go to the main list, click on this, and then we have the option to select all 3068 contacts, and we can add them all to any of the pipeline and the stage with just one click, which is called the bulk action. We just name it, click on the pipeline, select the stage, and just click on this button, and the contacts will start adding to that pipeline and the stage. In the same way, if you want to add all of these contacts to any of the workflow, we can add them in just one click. Same way, we can send them an SMS, an email, add a tag, remove a tag, delete them, send them the review request, the reviews that we got on our Google My Business profile. We can send them a request to our clients to give us a review. We can export the contacts. We can click on this, and the whole list Microsoft Excel file will be exported or downloaded in our system. Importing contacts is quite tricky thing. We will create another video on that. And email verification is quite necessary, because if we don't verify the email that we are sending emails to, our emails will end up landing in spam folder, because the bounce rate will be high, and eventually our domain can get restricted as well. So that's very tricky. We must verify our emails before running any kind of campaigns. And add or add to company, we will come to it later. Bulk WhatsApp SMS, we can send that as well. Merge the contacts, we can merge the contacts as well. We can manage the duplicates from here, and we have already covered this button. We can search the contact through his name, email, phone number, whatever we want. And here we can see all the smart lists. If we click on bulk actions, we can see the history of bulk actions that has been performed over the selected time range, and we can check the stats as well, how much successful were they and how much errors were faced. And there are some filters as well, all statuses, all actions. We can select them as per our need. If sometimes we have done something by mistake, we can restore it as well. There is an option to restore the contacts as well. And then the tasks, we can create a task and assign it to any of our team member, and all of the tasks can be seen over here. And there are advanced filters and other filters as well. You can simply play around with them. Manage smart lists. So any of the smart lists that have been created on the main list will be shown over here. You can delete them, edit them, share and copy that as well. All right, that's it for this video. Just to keep this video concise, we didn't go to the contact detail page. I'm trying my best to keep the video short and engaging. We'll cover that in the next lesson. See you.